Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada with Adel Ouda. Today we are filming this video different than the other times. Let's see if it's gonna be interesting or not. So opening the package now. Okay, let's see what we have here. Ooh, that's cool. Wow. This is really amazing. Yes, I get it so I could, manage my water drinking and encourage myself. I hope that no one takes it from me, because the kids will love it and they will take it away from me. I don't know what is this time for. Maybe 12. Is that okay? So in the morning I fill it up until here, and 9 o'clock I should drink until here, and then 10 I keep it drinking until here. Don't give up. Almost there. So by 1 o'clock I should be drinking this whole bottle, and this is milliliters. It's really cool. How do we open it? How do we open it? Okay. Let's open now. What is inside flour? Okay. Okay. So what we put here? The name of the company is Polygon. Cool. Thank you guys for watching this video.